Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to start or how to code in Visual Studio Code. Let's start. Con Simply open a new file to do simply Control N. Okay, sorry, didn't. Okay. Then do not declare this. Do only Control S. Then where you save all codes file I save in HTML and CSS. The demo1.html. That's my demo1.html complete. Do simply shift plus 1 for arrow means what's that I know. I don't know, sorry. Then simply click on tab button up on the cap clap lock. Okay, then you have to type one H1 and simply you can do enter or tab. Then I will on to my code function. I like this because of it's look nice. Control S for save. I delete this ball come here. That mean is it's not safe. I do this. That means it's not safe. If you control S, it has been gone. Simply do this. Default browser or another browser. How to install this? I will tell you now. How to install this? Op Open. Wait. Sorry guys. Yeah. So this is open in browser. Install this. I am uninstalling. Installed. Install again. Install again. Install. Or it's not installing but okay, it's installing. Sorry, my net has been gone. That's why it's not installing. It's okay. It's my net is on my phone. It's installed. Then do simply left click, and you can do opening another browser. I choose the Chrome because now it's coming. Now it's coming. Now it's coming. Wait. Uh, okay, it's come. Hi, welcome to my coder channel. That's a default, and it's time for CSS control. And it's I'm telling you, it's fabulous, literally fabulous. Control S, HTML, So then, sorry for I stopped the recording. Sorry. So then you have to do simply this. It's very ordinary. I will do this. Set on 0. Oh, sorry. I'm it's my challenge. I don't know how to talk in English. Hindi. Sorry, English. But I am challenging to me and add a one background color which I want to save. I will save it green because it's my very I like that. Please tell me in the comment section what is your favorite color. Then okay, that's you can't do here. Run. I don't know why. I don't know. Sorry. Another this because oh sorry. It's not here. It's okay. We will learn tomorrow. Tomorrow we will learn how to learn CSS in Visual Studio Code. If you like this video, please comment down below. And if you please like it, subscribe now, and tell your share now. Link in the description on or my Instagram. Please check that out. My another channel is in the description link, and that's my Minecraft channel. I play all time that. Now it's paused because of I am taking this seriously. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Tab tak